Standing tall. Mastering posture and stance for engaging speeches. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into an essential part of public speaking that often gets overlooked: posture and stance. These nonverbal cues can significantly influence how your message is perceived. So, let's get started. In public speaking, how you deliver your message can be as important as the message itself. Posture refers to how you hold your body, while stance relates to how you position your feet. Together, they can project confidence, engagement, and authority. Good posture and stance not only make you look more confident but also help you breathe and speak more effectively. So, how do we achieve a good posture for public speaking? Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Stand tall. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. This straightens your spine and naturally aligns your neck and head. 2. Relax your shoulders. Tension in your shoulders can make you seem anxious. Relax and lower your shoulders, but keep them slightly back to maintain an open posture. 3. Maintain a neutral spine. Do not lean back or stick your chest out. This can strain your back and affect your breath control. 4. Keep your head up. Look straight ahead at your audience, not at your feet. Remember, maintaining good posture isn't just for the stage, it's a great habit for everyday life too. Stance can either ground you or make you appear unstable. Here's how to get it right. 1. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. This stance provides balance and stability, enabling you to move smoothly and purposefully. 2. Keep your weight evenly distributed. Don't lean on one leg for too long. Shifting your weight can make you seem uncomfortable or unsure. 3. Use purposeful movement. Feel free to move around the stage, but avoid aimless pacing. Each step should be deliberate and linked to your speech. Even experienced speakers can fall into bad habits. Here are some common mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. Slouching or leaning. This can make you seem uninterested or unenergetic. Always check your posture and correct it if necessary. 2. Crossing your legs or feet. This stance is unstable and can make you seem unsure or anxious. 3. Fidgeting. Whether it's shifting from foot to foot or playing with a pen, fidgeting distracts from your message. If you feel the need to move, do so with purpose. In conclusion, mastering your posture and stance can greatly enhance your public speaking skills. It conveys confidence and authority to your audience and can even improve your vocal delivery. Remember, the key is to practice regularly and be aware of your body. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you stand tall in your next presentation. Happy learning!